So here we are getting unloaded, getting ready to hit the Weeki Wachee River in Central Florida. Christina is taking her Zulu kayak with the trolling motor, and I've got a Hurricane 13.5 kayak that's my new obsession. Super fast, super lightweight, easier, less work for me to load them and unload them. So at first we just decided to check out the area near the ramp. Got used to all of our settings and made sure everything was set up before getting too far out there. And it wasn't too long before we came upon a pretty good surprise. Just around the corner was a manatee. So we checked him out for a minute and then headed out up the river. This is a 2-mile paddle, 2+ mile paddle upriver to the main part of Weeki Wachee. On the way, you can see we found a couple more manatees, a mother and a baby, and got some pretty video of them. The baby was very, very young. It was only, much smaller than a year-old baby would be when they're still hanging out with their mother. This one was definitely from this year and very, very much so a newborn. You can see that as we got upriver, the water clears up a little bit. This is the main part of Weeki Wachee that they recently posted some signs for no anchoring. We were afraid that was going to deter the crowds, but it did not. You can see here this the snack shack that ties up along the side and feeds people hot dogs and stuff. While we stopped here for lunch, we got quite the view of a guy climbing up in this tree.
I'm here. All right, I made it.
And doing a backflip, which was pretty awesome. Had lunch, threw some frisbee for the dog. After that, we just decided that would probably be enough for the day, and we would head back. Luckily, on the way back, we got to go with the current, so it was a lot easier heading home. So about an hour paddle back, and we arrived back at the dock and packed up the boats. So that's a little taste of Weeki Wachee. I hope you enjoyed.